Adam, get in the house.
She's taking a video of me.
I am here.
What happened?
Why is it in there?
Santa.
Pick it up. Is it heavy?
Is that mine?
Wow,
Oh, wow.
Adam, just wait.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh,
wow.
I've been such a good boy.
Are you?
Yeah. What is that? Hot Wheels.
Whoa.
Another Hot Wheels. What is this?
Wow, somebody got a nice treats there.
More Hot Wheels. Wait, I got more Hot Wheels?
Wow, buddy. Those
Is
are
there more?
beautiful cars.
Yep. What is
Seems like it.
Oh, look at that.
No.
Wow.
Is there more?
Seems like
Wait,
it.
wait. There one?
There's another one?
Yeah.
Another one? What?
Yo!
Whoa, whoa.
Victory!
Look at that. Lamborghini.
Do it for you? I can help. Why? You got the bigger one than me.
No,
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Don't mix it.
I'm not mixing.
Whoa, whoa.
This is mommy's side. This is my side.
I know.
Woohoo.
Ah! I tried those before.
Oh,
Twix! How did that?
wow.
Wow!
Look at
Any
that.
more? There's
Nope,
one more.
There's one more. What's in here?
Maybe.
Whoa.
It's just the same.
They're all mommy's favorite. See that?
These kids.
What did I
Now
get?
let's do see daddy.
Chocolate orange.
What? Oh, you were so lucky. I
Oh, I
like.
got a Kinder.
What? Like me? Dude! We're same! Wait, what the? No!
Hershey's Kisses.
where's-
Oh, look at this.
Hey, don't cover
What,
the
two Hershey's
buddy.
Kisses?
Don't cover the camera.
Yeah, but look.
Adam, watch out. Ooh, Lindors. Yeah, Lindt.
Indoors, how did you get?
Wow, Dad.
You! Surrender me!
Cookies.
Yeah, but he just.
Put it all down.
You gave him Pop
Moving your toys, okay, buddy?
Yeah, but. So what do I have to open first?
I don't know.
Yeah, maybe. I'm gonna open Mama and Dada first.
Okay, look at the camera. Thank you.
Thank you. Or not. Wow! Mario Kart 7!
That's the one you wanted?
Yes!
Wow.
Good! What? What is it?
What do you have?
Smash Bros!
Who gave you that?
You too! Smash Bros! This is my favorite! I'm gonna see it.
Just wait. Just wait for that.
Coca-Cola. Right? Isn't it? Isn't that? Coca-Cola? What is it?
That is a box.
Just a box. Other way, Daddy. Oh, there it
This
goes.
one?
Guys.
Yay! Finally, Daddy has a jacket.
Open it.
Wait a minute. Oh, you just go like that on the thing.
Can't believe I got Smash Bros. I missed you.
Now, Mommy's not worried about Daddy when he's outside because he's just wearing a sweater.
I like.
Hey, Daddy.
I wanted to make something all of the things. But
Oh,
how am I
wow.
supposed to use
Inside
this?
is the
I'm
the
using
windproof,
10
eh?
plus. I'm using 10
Oh,
plus.
look at Daddy. You look nice, Daddy.
Yeah, but I'm using 10 plus on this game.
You look nice there, Daddy.
I'm using a 10
I
plus.
like it. Nobody, look at mine.
I've seen that before. Wow.
Mommy, we're gonna eat the white, all the white ones, the crunchy ones. Why? This is mine.
I want that one.
Don't.
But don't you have those
I
the
think
chocolate?
you got enough stuff, man.
Thank you guys.
Aren't you happy? Come here.
Yeah, but
Thank you.
I'm happy that I got 2 games.
But I
Well, see,
already
this
opened
one-
the other one last time.
This one hey, I bought that one for mommy just because I didn't think her computer was gonna come and I want her to open something.
Yeah, but it came already. So this is from mommy's coworker. She doesn't have children here, and you know when she saw you, she considered you as her grandchild. Okay, maybe you can make a card for her because she's alone here with her husband. So I'll open it up for you.
Be careful, don't rip it.
I won't rip it. Oh, it's okay. So it says here, "Hi Adam, Merry Christmas from Mama Julieta." So when you open it,
Dollars.
is it $1?
I'm totally
How
rich.
much is that?
50.
Wow! What are you gonna
Okay, come here.
buy on that one?
Come here, lean in. You just bought new stuff, right? You just bought a whole bunch of new games. You know, it's up to you, but my opinion, this is one that'd be perfect for the piggy bank. This is the one you save for later.
I need this one for my blue glasses.
No, the other ones you had, the 10 and the 5, that'll be enough to fix the nose piece on your glasses.
Sorry that I just...
Okay. But this one, I think you should put in the piggy bank.
I'm going to put it on here instead.
Okay?
Now, smash.
No, where's my hug? Are you happy? Did you have a good Christmas?
Yeah.
You get lots of good stuff.
Yeah, but I thought I was getting a lump of coal because it kept on saying I'm on the naughty list, but
Well, you might have been. I don't know.
because
Santa makes the list, not me. You were probably getting close, though. But you know what? In the last week, you've been really good, so maybe that turned the corner. I don't know. Next year, don't push it to the end, though. Give Mommy a big hug.
a big hug
Say
is a
thank
big.
you.
Thank you.